Hey, welcome back to another part in our series on how to reseal a driveway. In the first couple videos we talked about how to fill cracks, how to seal it, how to fix any potholes. Now I found this product recently and it works really well. It is called Pli Stix. They have crack sticks and different ones like that, but I've been using the Pli Stix. They're found at Home Depot, and all they are, it's just like a long cord. Let me see how my feet are on here. It is, let's see, it fills cracks up to ½ an inch. It's 30 feet of this. It's basically just asphalt. It has a little plastic coating around it. And all you do is you prep your crack here. All I did was cleaned all the dirt out of it. And I'll come in closer in a second. Clean out the dirt, blow it out, or pressure wash it out. All you do is take your plastic and you just kind of form it where that's going to go. You'll just need like cutters or a knife. Now it's going to have a memory to it since it came in a roll, so you just kind of move it around a little bit, kind of press it down in. Now if you have too big of a crack, all you have to do is just put another one in after you do the initial one. So you just take a regular torch, and I'm going to bring the camera closer for this part. After I get this down in there a little bit better. Okay, if you're wondering, I see a band-aid on my face. I cut myself this morning. So starting off the Monday right. All right, so you can see what the plastic looks like. I just have it down into the crack. All we're going to do now is take our torch. And I'm just using a regular blue can, not the MAP gas or anything. See, it starts to melt, but it really bonds to the crack. Once it completely melts, then you know it's fine. You keep kind of going back and forth for the rest of the sections, and it all fills it in. This makes a watertight seal. That way it's not going to crack again. As you can see here, it basically completely bonded to that crack. Let it set down in for a little bit, and if you have to add more to level it off, you can do so. But if you use the ones out of the can that you just spread in, they have a tendency to crack a little when they dry, whereas this will dry fairly quick and leave you with a professional filled crack there. So that was easy enough. I wanted to just pass that on to you. Again, all you need is just a regular gas torch, a knife or a cutter. And again, these are called Pli Stix. These ones are found at Home Depot. And you saw how quick that was. So if you have a crack that's like a ½ inch or less, this is a good fit for this. And then also, this is going to sink down in. All you got to do is take another section of the crack sticks, put it down over, melt it. You can't really mess this up at all. So worst case scenario, if you need more, just put another one in. It's going to completely melt and level off. It's kind of like a self-leveler in a way. And then when you're doing the flame, if you just go back and forth, it'll actually move it to where it needs to go. So this is a great way to fill your cracks in your driveway. These are about, I think they're like $13 for 30 feet, which is pretty good considering how well this bonds. You're not going to have a future issue there now. So I hope you enjoyed this other part to my series. Probably put a playlist up in the beginning of the video here with the info card, but you can see my other 3 videos on how to repair and fix your driveway DIY. And this is geared for the homeowners. I had some people who must have been professionals trying to tell me how to, you need this and that. People don't want to spend thousands of dollars to fix their driveway, so you can do this fairly cheap and have a nice finish for your driveway that lasts years. Hope this helped you out, and we're going to have plenty more videos coming soon. Have a great day.